All right, guys, so this that 14 6.2 liter Raptor, we did the full length video on it. He brought it back. It's not, it's too loud for him. He added a Resonator somewhere else, a U-Power, and it's got a Carven R on it. So I'm gonna let you guys hear before we put a Carven TR, because he needs it a little bit more quieter. That's idle. Go ahead. You can see it's really loud. Again. Let you guys hear sound decibels. Go ahead. That's at 107. So that's the U-Power Resonator that he had installed somewhere else. And then there's the Carven R. And my guy has got the Carven TR. I want to show you guys the difference in size. See how much bigger it is? And it's completely different on the inside too. It's made to take all the noise away. You see all those little baffles, and it's glass pack filled and everything. So once he cuts this one off, I'll show it to you guys inside of there too. Stay tuned. 2014 Ford Raptor. All decked out, raised, and all that good stuff. He's getting headers on it in January, guys, if you don't know. So he's gonna bring it back again. We're gonna change it up again. But for right now, there's the cat, stock, factory wide. He added the U-Power Resonator there, and we just installed the Carven TR. Here's the part number, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. There will be a link in the description for it. Then the 3-inch pipe, we tucked it back in, raised it up where he liked it at first before he took it to the other shop, and they brought it down. And like I was telling you guys, I'm gonna show you the inside of the Carven R now. So it's completely different than the TR, as you guys can see there. There's only one ring in it. You guys see the ring? Right there. So other than that, it's completely hollow. See that? So anyways, there it is. The Carven TR is a lot different than the R. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And please like, comment, and hit that subscribe. The sound decibels before were 107, guys. So let's see how much they are now. Is it considerably lower? Give it gas? Yeah, it's 5 decibels quieter. Again? Wow, 101. But it's still growing, so which is a good thing. Again? Sounds clean. Let it idle. This is idle, guys. Carven TR. Give it gas. I actually like this better than the Carven R. It's cleaner. It fits it. Yeah, it fits this truck. Go ahead and back it up.
More aggressive tone.
Yeah, but just tame.
Yeah.
More classy.
Yeah. Let's do it in your face.
Yeah. But you know it's gonna get obnoxiously loud when you do the headers.
That's what I'm gonna.
You're waiting after Christmas, yeah.
Vibrant, ultra quiet.
Yeah. Yeah, that's so much better than Tip 2. It was hanging down way too much. That sounds clean. It's perfect now. Let you guys hear on the inside. Raptor 6.2 liter naturally aspirated with a Carven TR, cats, and a U-Power Resonator. Let me know if you guys like this sound. Yeah, it's clean. I like it. You guys let me know which sound you like more, the Carven TR or the Carven R. In the comments. See ya.